Have you ever dreamed of visiting a country where fairy tale castles, mystical forests, and colorful medieval towns exist side by side? Welcome to Romania, one of Europe's most underrated travel destinations. From the legendary land of Dracula to the wild beauty of the Carpathian Mountains, Romania offers history, culture, and natural beauty like nowhere else. So sit back, relax, and let Travel Moment take you on an unforgettable journey through Romania. Our journey begins at the world-famous Bran Castle, often known as Dracula's Castle. Perched on a hill in Transylvania, this medieval fortress is surrounded by mystery and legend. While the real Vlad the Impaler may not have lived here, the castle's dramatic towers and dark corridors make it feel straight out of a vampire story. Bran Castle is a must-visit for history lovers and anyone fascinated by legends. Transylvania is not just about vampires. It's a region filled with rolling hills, Saxon villages, and ancient churches. Here, time feels slower. You'll find wooden houses, horse-drawn carts, and landscapes untouched by modern life. This is the heart of Romania's soul. Next, we head to the capital city, Bucharest. Once called the Paris of the East, Bucharest blends historic charm with modern energy. The massive Palace of the Parliament, one of the largest buildings in the world, is a symbol of Romania's complex past. Cafes, parks, and vibrant nightlife make Bucharest a city full of surprises. Sibiu looks like it came straight out of a storybook. With its colorful houses, cobblestone streets, and famous eye roofs, the city feels alive and welcoming. It's one of the best places in Romania to experience local culture, festivals, and traditional food. Often called the most beautiful road in the world, the Transylvania Highway winds through the Carpathian Mountains. Sharp curves, alpine lakes, and breathtaking views make this road trip unforgettable. It's a paradise for travelers, photographers, and adventure lovers. The Danube Delta is one of Europe's most unique natural wonders. This peaceful paradise is home to hundreds of bird species, waterways, and untouched wetlands. If you love nature and wildlife, this place will steal your heart. Romania is more than just a destination. It's a story waiting to be discovered. If you're searching for history, adventure, and hidden beauty, Romania deserves a place on your travel bucket list. Thank you for watching Travel Moment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment where you'd love to travel next. See you in the next journey.